Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm latst, and if you are watching this video for the first time, why don't you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. Please help me on the road to 1000 subscribers by subscribing to my channel. Today, what I have for you is how to get free MTN 5 gig with just 50 naira only. You see, so first thing, you have to have at least 50 naira loaded on your MTN SIM. Purchase a credit card either from the king or from your bank account and get only 50 naira. You must pay 50 naira to get this data. So after then, dial *123# send. Then navigate to data service. After then, navigate to buy good baggies. After then, go to WeChat, which is number 6. After then, subscribe to the weekly data bundle. After you activate this data, you'll be given maybe 5.1 gig immediately. So let me check my data. Here is the activation of my weekly WeChat, which was successful yesterday. So to check your data, just dial *55 or *131*4# send. Here is my data bundle, 5 gig, free 5 gig. And if you are watching this video for the first time, why don't you subscribe to my channel and help me on the road to 1K subscribers. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.